All right, everybody. This is 2014 Topps Finest 4-box bobsportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. DeMarco Murray, Robert Mathis, Cam Newton, Greg Olson, Fantasy Finest, Jeremy Hill. Eric Berry, Marshawn Lynch, Kiko Alonso, EJ Manuel, Refractor, Bills, Connor Shaw. Clay Matthews, Mike Wallace, Larry Fitzgerald, Derek Carr, X-Fractor, Raiders. Eric Ebron. Sheldon Richardson, Phillip Rivers, Andy Dalton, Michael Crabtree, Refractor, Niners, Blake Bortles. LaShawn McCoy, Ryan Matthews, Kelvin Benjamin, die cut, Allen Robinson, Devontae Adams. Matt Stafford. Here's a Green Bay Packers, Aaron Rodgers, 1/10 camo refractor.
That's nice, very nice.
That's a nice one. Jimmy Garoppolo, patch auto.
Nice, Patriots.
Patriots.
These are Patriots. Inside, yeah.
Austin Sefrion Jenkins, Greg Robinson. Eddie Lacy, T.Y. Hilton, Bishop Sankey at a 99 blue auto. A lot of blue going on in that one. Titans, 96 out of 99.
I think he's the guy there now. He might be
Stephen Morris, Mike Evans. Denarius Moore, Colin Kaepernick, Fantasy's Finest, Victor Cruz, Robert Herron, Tampa Bay. Eli Manning, Patrick Willis, Julius Thomas, Julio Jones refractor, Bishop Sankey. Robert Griffin III, Robert Quinn, Tom Brady, Jordan Cameron, X-Fractor, Jake Matthews, Falcons. Tony Romo, Jamal Charles, Khalil Mack, Martavius Bryant, blue auto out of 25, Steelers, 7 out of 25. Javion Clowney. Randall Cobb, Russell Wilson, Cecil Shorts, Jordan Matthews, Johnny Manziel base. box 2, first mini box. Pierre Garçon. Fantasy's Finest, Jordan Reed, Logan Thomas. Aaron Rodgers, Monte Ball, AJ Green, Navarro Bowman, Refractor, Martavius Bryant, Steelers. Luke Kuechly, Julio Jones, Adrian Peterson, Reggie Wayne, X-Fractor, Aaron Donald. Nick Foles, Antonio Brown, Zach Ertz, 2/25, Pulsar Refractor. Zach Ertz, Eagles. Michael Sam, Troy Nicholas. Tavon Austin, Alfred Morris, Kadeem Carey, rookie Finest Atomic, die cut. Jimmy Garoppolo, Sammy Watkins. Ryan Matthews, Percy Harvin, Troy Polamalu, Refractor. Allen Robinson, Jumbo Patch Auto, Pulsar Refractor, 3/25. Allen Robinson. Kadeem Carey. Second mini box in the second box. DeAndre Hopkins, Reggie Bush, T.Y. Hilton Refractor, Trey Mason, Jersey Auto, Rams, Darkeezy Denard.
Oh, buy some more cards.
Jordan Cameron, Kiko Alonso, Larry Fitzgerald, Dolphins, Brian Hartline, Fantasy's Finest, Taj Boyd. AJ McCarron, Phillip Rivers, Kadeem Carey, Refractor, Anthony Barr. Russell Wilson, Jamal Charles, Reggie Bush, X-Fractor, Odell Beckham Jr. Tony Romo, Jordy Nelson, Alex Smith, Jarvis Landry, Khalil Mack.
Okay, I'll see you later.
Pierre Thomas, LaShawn McCoy, Teddy Bridgewater, rookie Atomic, die cut, Refractor. Zach Mettenberg, and Charles Sims. We're going to stop the video here and do a second video for the last two boxes of Topps Finest.